Remodeling your kitchen isn't just about updating its appearance, it's about creating a space that reflects your style, enhances functionality, and adds value to your home. In the realm of kitchen renovations, there are countless ideas and approaches to consider, each with its own unique benefits and considerations. In this guide, we'll explore 5 top kitchen remodel ideas that can elevate your kitchen's aesthetics and functionality to new heights. Whether you're looking to revamp your cabinets, add a focal point with a stylish backsplash, or create a cozy breakfast nook for morning gatherings, these ideas are designed to inspire and transform your kitchen into a space you'll love spending time in. So let's dive in and explore the exciting world of kitchen remodeling. When it comes to kitchen remodels, cabinets play a starring role. They not only provide essential storage, but also set the tone for the entire kitchen's aesthetic. Bold cabinet designs are a trend that's gaining momentum, offering homeowners the opportunity to infuse personality and style into their kitchen spaces. Imagine rich, vibrant colors adorning your cabinets, or unique hardware adding a touch of elegance and flair. Bold cabinet designs can instantly transform a mundane kitchen into a show-stopping space that reflects your individuality and taste. By incorporating bold cabinet designs into your kitchen remodel, you're not only making a visual statement, but also creating a space that feels distinctly yours. Whether you opt for a striking color scheme or experiment with unconventional materials, bold cabinet designs are sure to breathe new life into your kitchen and leave a lasting impression. So why settle for ordinary when you can go bold and make a statement? Picture this, a spacious kitchen with a central island, bustling with activity. Kitchen islands have become a staple in modern kitchen design, and for good reason. They offer a multitude of benefits beyond just extra counter space. By adding a kitchen island to your remodel plans, you're not only increasing your workspace, but also creating a versatile hub for cooking, dining, and socializing. Whether you choose a sleek, contemporary design or opt for a rustic farmhouse style, a kitchen island instantly becomes the focal point of the room, tying together the entire space. But it's not just about aesthetics. Kitchen islands also provide practical storage solutions, with options for built-in cabinets, drawers, and even wine racks. Plus, they offer additional seating options, perfect for casual meals or entertaining guests while you cook. Incorporating a kitchen island into your remodel is a surefire way to elevate both the functionality and style of your kitchen, turning it into the heart of your home. So why wait? Let's face it, one of the biggest challenges in any kitchen is keeping it organized and clutter-free. That's where uncommon shelving and storage solutions come into play. Instead of relying solely on traditional cabinets and shelves, why not think outside the box and explore unconventional storage options? From pull-out racks and vertical storage to hidden compartments and hanging baskets, there are countless creative ways to maximize your kitchen's storage potential. These innovative solutions not only help you make the most of every inch of space, but also add a touch of personality and uniqueness to your kitchen design. Imagine having dedicated spots for all your pots and pans, or cleverly concealed storage for bulky appliances. With uncommon shelving and storage spaces, you can say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized, efficient kitchen. But it's not just about functionality. These creative storage solutions can also serve as eye-catching design elements, adding visual interest and charm to your kitchen. So why settle for ordinary when you can think outside the box and create a kitchen that's as stylish as it is practical? A tile backsplash is like the cherry on top of a perfectly baked cake. It adds that final touch of elegance and sophistication to your kitchen remodel. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, a tile backsplash serves a practical purpose as well. Think about all the splatters and spills that happen during meal prep. A tile backsplash provides a protective barrier, making cleanup a breeze and keeping your walls looking pristine. Plus, with a wide range of tile materials, colors, and patterns to choose from, you can truly personalize your backsplash to complement your kitchen's overall design aesthetic. Whether you opt for classic subway tiles, eye-catching mosaic patterns, or sleek, modern glass tiles, a well-chosen backsplash can tie the whole room together and create a cohesive look. So why settle for plain walls when you can elevate your kitchen style with a stunning tile backsplash? Imagine starting your day with a steaming cup of coffee in a cozy corner of your kitchen, bathed in sunlight streaming through the windows. That's the magic of a breakfast nook. More than just a place to enjoy your morning meal, a breakfast nook creates a warm and inviting space where family and friends can gather, share stories, and create lasting memories. Whether you have a spacious kitchen or a compact one, there are countless ways to incorporate a breakfast nook into your remodel plans. From built-in benches with storage underneath to charming bistro sets nestled in a sunny alcove, the options are endless. But it's not just about the aesthetics. A breakfast nook also adds functionality to your kitchen, providing a designated spot for dining that's separate from your main eating area. It's the perfect place to enjoy a leisurely breakfast, catch up on emails, or unwind with a good book. By creating a breakfast nook in your kitchen, you're not just adding a cozy corner, you're transforming your kitchen into a welcoming gathering space that's sure to become the heart of your home. In conclusion, remodeling your kitchen is an exciting journey filled with endless possibilities for creativity and improvement. By incorporating the top 5 kitchen remodel ideas: bold cabinet designs, kitchen island additions, uncommon shelving and storage spaces, tile backsplash installations, and breakfast nook creations, you can transform your kitchen into a space that truly reflects your style and enhances your daily life. We hope these ideas have inspired you to embark on your own kitchen remodeling adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiration for creating the home of your dreams. And remember, with the right ideas and a little bit of imagination, your dream kitchen is closer than you think. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and here are many happy memories made in your newly remodeled kitchen.